brother-in-law, MANNIE, oh, he really shows out on a Harley. He make the hog look like a rice rocket.
What I can do and try to do what I can do best. You know, I just love riding, love clowning, love watching people clown. That's all I do. The 2000 ZX12, everything on it, bone stock. Only thing I did to it was I put the camera on it. Bone stock, everybody would think I got motor work. It's just a beast in me and the way I ride. So I think I had this sport bike first, but I ride everything from dirt bikes to mini bikes. Just love anything on two wheels. It depends on what kind of bike you got and what you got on it. Anywhere from 600 to 900 pounds. It all depends on the type of bike you got, whether it's a FXR or Dyna, or Road King, or Road Glide. It's all kind of different types of bikes. So it just depends on what kind of bike you choose. Me, I ride a Road King because that's what I got, but I could wheelie on any bagger, and I just like clowning. Any bike I get on, I could clown.
Once again, Urban Hog Rider presents.
Hey, get on that side of it.
Urban Hog Rider presents.
Yeah, there you go.
King Willie, Big Mannie from up north.
What's his name?
Big Mannie from up north. Willie King. Urban Hog Rider presents.
Rich from California.
Hey, you know what I'm gonna say?
Congratulate you, Mannie.
Look like Speed ain't got nobody to beat. Northern California doing it again, man. We need somebody from Southern California.
That's the one though, right here.
Northern California. Urban Hog Rider. Here we go.
I wouldn't do that if I was you.
Turn it off. Somebody turn that key off.
That ain't no punk here.
Like, man, we don't appreciate having to do all that shit to stop you. That's too much shit. We don't like having to do all that to stop you, Somebody get him over here. Come on. Hey, they need a Ninja Turtle over there. Hey, man.
Man, all we trying to do is get you a trophy, man.
Hey, Leonardo. Show got a bad attitude today.
I'm sorry, sir.
Thank you. Hey, well, here you go. Big Manny. Get him before he jump back on the bike. Damn, you need to know how to stop. We done took the keys, so it don't
Y'all got the keys?
Yeah, we got the keys.
Once again, y'all, we're all about to present Big Manny. He got both this year. Look like this shit go back up north. Wrong town. Wrong trophy. Give me the first place trophy. First place trophy, up north again. Big Manny. I don't know how you gonna get home. Big Manny, y'all. Once again,
folks at, because we all in one section.
Oh yeah, we're down in order. Big Manny out here at ATL, out here on Loud Speedway. What you guys say, people? Out there on the ground.
2,700 and something odd miles on the ground. Best believe it. And I'm going back home on the ground. Anti-car, anti-truck.
Out here at ATL, we on Ladder Speedway. Look, check the background out. This ain't no photo stop shit, nothing like that. Right here.
Go get him! Tell you something, man. I know the Hog Nuts do it as a group, but these two brothers do it individually, man. And the stunting is a habit award goes to Big Manny. Give it up for Big Manny, man.